Hi, in this video I will show you how to install HP Deskjet D4160 printer on your computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. So I will show you which driver you will require. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After downloading the drivers, just double click on that. If it is asking for permission, so please click on yes. It is now extracting the drivers, so please wait. Click on install. Click on next. Check this box and then click on next again. It is asking you to connect the USB cable of your printer to the computer and make sure your printer is turned on. So please connect the cable. Once you connect the cable, this screen will detect your printer connection and activate this next button. So after detecting the printer, click on next. Click on finish. As you can see, the three icons, please click on close. Three icons has been created on your desktop. It means the printer HP Deskjet D4160 printer has been installed successfully. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.